Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains a robotic pool vacuum that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video.
The VitaPool Orca Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a sleek and efficient solution for keeping your pool clean and pristine. With its stylish gray color and compact design measuring 13 inches in length, 12 inches in width, and 7 inches in height, this product combines aesthetics with functionality. Powered by a DC power source, the VitaPool Orca offers powerful cleaning performance without the hassle of cords or cables. Its cordless design allows for seamless operation and easy maneuverability around the pool, making maintenance tasks more convenient and time-efficient. The VitaPool Orca, manufactured by the reputable brand VitaPool, is equipped with cutting-edge technology to ensure thorough cleaning results. Whether it's removing dirt, debris, or leaves, this robotic pool vacuum cleaner delivers impressive suction power to keep your pool water crystal clear. Overall, the VitaPool Orca cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner is a reliable and user-friendly product that meets
The WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a top-tier solution for maintaining the cleanliness of in-ground pools up to 60 feet in length. Boasting a cordless design and equipped with robotic cleaning technology, this device brings convenience and efficiency to pool maintenance routines. The sleek black color and modern design of the WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum enhance the aesthetic appeal of any pool area. With dimensions of 16L into 11W into 18H, this compact device can maneuver through water with ease, reaching even the most challenging spots for a thorough cleaning experience. Powered by an AC power source, the WI-Bot Osprey 700 ensures consistent performance and reliable operation. Its advanced features make pool cleaning a breeze, allowing users to sit back and relax while the robotic cleaner takes care of the hard work. In conclusion, the WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a must-have for pool owners looking to maintain pristine water conditions effortlessly.
The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier solution for maintaining clean and sparkling pools up to 50 feet in length. With its innovative wall-climbing scrubber brush feature, this product sets itself apart from traditional pool cleaners. The sleek black design of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus adds a touch of sophistication to any pool setup. At a compact size of 20L into 20W into 20H, this robotic pool vacuum cleaner is easily maneuverable for effective cleaning. Powered by an AC source, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus operates efficiently to remove debris, dirt, and algae from your pool with precision and speed. Its advanced technology ensures thorough cleaning without the need for manual intervention, making pool maintenance hassle-free. For pool owners seeking a reliable, high-performance pool vacuum cleaner, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is a standout choice. Its robust features, exceptional cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly design make it a valuable.
The Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a high-quality pool maintenance device designed for efficiency and convenience. With its advanced features, this product is ideal for keeping pools up to 33 feet clean and ready for use. One of the standout features of the Dolphin Nautilus CC is its wall-climbing scrubber brush, which ensures a thorough cleaning of the pool walls, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing. The brush is designed to tackle tough stains and algae, leaving the pool surface sparkling clean. Built with durable plastic material in a sleek blue and black color combination, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Its compact dimensions of 16.38L into 16.77W into 8.97H make it easy to maneuver and store when not in use. Overall, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient solution for pool maintenance. Its advanced cleaning capabilities, sturdy construction, and user-friendly design.
I had the opportunity to test out the Grenix Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner, the GX UFO Blue model, and I must say it impressed me with its performance. The sleek blue design of this autonomous pool vacuum adds a touch of style to your pool area. With dimensions of 13.5 inches in length, 13.5 inches in width, and 8.46 inches in height, the Grenix Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is compact yet powerful. It operates on both AC and DC power sources, providing flexibility in its usage. One of the standout features of this pool vacuum is its autonomous functionality. Once you set it up and turn it on, it navigates your pool efficiently, cleaning the floor and walls with ease. The cleaning performance is commendable, leaving your pool sparkling clean in no time. I appreciate the user-friendly design of the Grenex Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. It is easy to operate and the maintenance is hassle-free. The quality of the materials used in its construction ensures durability and longevity.